In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons to start an online business and work from home. You may have been thinking about starting an online business or working from home. You may already be doing it and looking for reinforcement on your decisions. And I just want to remind you, my name is Rachel Leslie, and my channel is all about online marketing, online business, working from home. I teach people to make money online, so if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And the first reason that I have is, number 1, you control your schedule. It's like, duh, you control your schedule. And this actually could be a bad thing. You controlling your schedule, you need to have self-control, time management, but you are in control. You do not have to wake up that early. You do not have to stop working that late. You don't have to wake up super early when it's still dark and in the cold and like get dressed, do your makeup and get ready for work. You don't have to be coming home at midnight or 2 in the morning. And you don't have to drive that many places either. Actually, that's the thing. Sometimes you may be at home too much, so you do want to have reasons to get out of the house. But for the most part, you are in control of your schedule. Even if you have clients and you do phone calls with people, you decide what days those calls are going to be. You decide what your office hours are going to be. You can set your phone to just go straight to voicemail during certain times. You can put your phone on airplane mode. I actually suggest that you do it. If you only want to be working in the evenings and weekends because that's the only time that you have, well, just put that in your schedule. You are in control of your schedule when you do work from home. A lot of you guys might be making the transition, so you have like less time, but that's actually, it could be a good thing, okay? You know you only have 2 hours each night to work on your work, so you better get your stuff done and be even more organized and plan out those 2 hours that you have. Like first 20 minutes is going to be reviewing the things that you need to do and your game plan. Maybe the next 40 minutes is going to be content creation. The next 30 minutes is going to be putting content out there. And the next other 30 minutes is going to be working on your automations and systems. Whenever I am feeling like stressed with my online business, I just think, well, I don't have to wake up at 5:30 and go unlock the store or go stay late and then drive home and be home at midnight and I'm too tired to even watch freaking Netflix. My number 2 reason is you also get to choose what you want to work on. You are the boss. It is your business. Yes, oftentimes in online business, we end up with things on our to-do list that we don't want to do. I didn't want to write these emails. I didn't want to do this blog post. I didn't want to rank this video. I didn't want to make this content. I didn't want to do this phone call. You don't have to do any of it. You really don't. There are ways to make money online that is enjoyable. This is your online business, your dream business. You get to choose what it looks like and you get to choose who you work with. So if you're taking on clients and you are working from home, you have an online business, but you hate your clients or you hate the customers, you can choose to have different ideal clients. Identify who your ideal client is and sell to them and have products or offerings and services for them. This is something ongoing that I think we need to, everyone, all entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs need to work on, is pausing and assessing, am I enjoying what I'm doing? The day-to-day operations, the week-by-week operations. Do I like what my business is about? Do I like what I'm selling? Do I like who I'm selling to? Do I like who I'm working with? The people on my team, my colleagues, my audience, the industry in general. It is okay to shift. It's okay to pivot. It's normal. If you're not changing and adapting in your business, then you're doing something wrong. And again, there could be a negative to that. If you get to choose what you want to work on, you might be choosing to binge watch videos on YouTube. But that could be a good thing too, as long as you're learning. My number 3 reason why it's great to have an online business and work from home is because you get to build passive income. And this kind of goes back into choosing what you work on. Do you want to still choose to do time trade for money, or do you want to work on building your passive income and work on your automations and your systems and your processes, basically your automations, making sure your email sequences are automated, the things that you're doing to drive traffic are scalable, identifying where you are doing time trade for money and thinking of ways that you can make it more passive and automate it and sell one thing over and over and over again with one video. Or write an email once and sell it something over and over and over again. Or work on an ad once and sell something over and over and over again. Or spend 30 minutes a day working on ad campaigns or your SEO and your traffic methods and make sales over and over and over again. So higher income, less time, passive income. That's my third reason why I love online business. And then number 4, this is different from the passive income. This is that you have the ability to make unlimited income. With your online business, you get out what you put in. You can scale and just make more and more money. The sky is the limit. There is no ceiling. There's no, here's the tiers and you're gonna work for a promotion and get $1 raise every year when it's time for your review. Or this is what the average people in my industry make, so this is all that I can make. When you have your own online business, the sky is the limit. You can make unlimited income. It's going to be based on what you are an energetic match for. You still need to study and learn about how to make your online business better, and you also need to implement. If you are not sure what kind of online business to be in, I really like affiliate marketing because you can sell products and offers that you don't have to fulfill. You don't have to create the trainings or create the softwares or create the products. You can just focus on sending traffic to your affiliate link and make commissions. And I also like selling digital products because you can do it. You can sell it over and over and over again. Yes, I sell coaching sometimes, but every time I sell an hour of coaching, I'm still selling an hour of my time, where I could be using that hour to work on my automations, and then I don't have to talk to anybody on the phone. If you want more resources on how to start an online business, be successful with your online business, whether it is with affiliate marketing or not, or just some affiliate money on the side, you can look in the description below and I'll have more resources. If you want to learn how to get more online traffic, I have a lot of trainings about that too, using YouTube to get traffic, using all the social media platforms to get more traffic, organic free methods, paid methods so you can scale faster. It's all on the channel, well, it's not all on the channel. There's a lot of good stuff on the channel, but then I also have more resources in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.